Hello everyone and welcome to JASM Graphs. I am so excited you're here today because we're diving into an explainer all about an absolutely amazing and honestly sometimes misunderstood animal.
Now, did you know that a spotted hyena can actually laugh to show its feelings? It's true. But wait, are they out there telling each other jokes in the wild? Well, we are going to find out exactly why they giggle so much.
In today's explainer, we'll learn exactly what this animal is, where it lives, what it eats, its daily habits, and some absolutely mind-blowing facts. So let's get right into it.
Section 1. Introduction and Identity. Meet the hyena.
Okay, so this is the spotted hyena. Its scientific name is Crocuta crocuta. Let's say that slowly together. Crocuta crocuta. It is a mammal, and it can weigh anywhere from 35 to 80 kilograms and grow up to 150 centimeters long. To put that into perspective, that's as heavy as a really big dog. They're much larger than you might think. So they're big, but what is really fascinating is how they live. They live in a matriarchy. Now you might be asking, what on earth is a matriarchy? Well, a matriarchy is a family or group where the females, like the mothers and sisters, are the biggest, the strongest, and completely in charge. So yeah, the mothers totally rule the clan.
Section 2. Habitat. Where do they live?
Before we answer that, let's do a super quick vocabulary check. What exactly is a habitat? Simply put, a habitat is the natural home or environment of an animal. It's where they live and find absolutely everything they need to survive safely.
So the spotted hyena's habitat is in Africa. They absolutely love living in warm savannas and grassy plains. They also hang out in woodlands and the edges of forests. But get this, they can also live in mountains, up to 4,000 meters high. I literally had no idea they could live so high up in the cold. Just incredible.
Section 3. Diet. What do hyenas eat?
The spotted hyena is what we call a carnivore. Carnivore. What does that mean in simple words? Well, a carnivore is an animal that eats mostly meat to survive. Basically, they are meat eaters.
Now here is a massive myth we need to bust right now. In a lot of movies, hyenas are shown as just cowardly scavengers, only eating what other animals leave behind. But the actual fact? They are top-tier predators. They actually hunt and catch about 70% of their own food. They are incredibly brave hunters.
And wow, they have super strong jaws. I mean, strong enough to eat skin, hooves, and even crush solid bone. Yep, they eat bones. They crunch them all up to get the healthy minerals inside. And anything they can't digest, like the hair and the hooves, they just spit it right back up in little pellets, kind of like an owl does. Nature is so cool.
Section 4. Daily habits and behavior. A day in the life.
Spotted hyenas are mostly nocturnal animals. Let's think about that. If diurnal means awake in the day, then nocturnal means they are awake at night. So, they are actually sleeping when we are awake and playing. They rest in the daytime and get super busy when the sun goes down.
And they definitely do not live alone. They are highly social creatures that live in massive family groups called clans. And one single clan can have up to 80 members. Can you imagine 80 hyenas in one family? It must be so noisy at dinner time.
It sure is noisy. And remember earlier when I asked about them laughing? Well, scientists studied their giggles and figured out that a hyena's laugh actually tells the others how old they are and who is the boss. A dominant or boss hyena has a very confident, steady hee-hee-hee-hee, but a subordinate or helper hyena has a nervous, wobbly giggle like hee-hee-ha-hee, and if they want to call their friends from far away, they yell a super loud whoop.
Section 5. Amazing facts.
Okay, I have 3 absolutely amazing facts for you today. Number 1, they are super smart problem solvers. Number 2, they are city protectors in Ethiopia. And number 3, long ago, there were giant hyenas.
Let's start with fact number 1. Scientists at Duke University actually gave hyenas a test. They had to pull 2 ropes at the exact same time to open a trapdoor and win a yummy meatball. Well, the hyenas figured it out in less than 2 minutes. And get this, they worked together in perfect silence to do it. They didn't even make a sound. They just looked at each other and knew exactly what to do. They literally did better at this teamwork test than chimpanzees. Super smart. For our next fact, we are traveling to a city called Harar in Ethiopia. There, a man named Abbas feeds completely wild hyenas right from his hand. The whole town absolutely loves the hyenas because they come in at night, clean up all the food scraps in the streets, and the people even believe the hyenas chase away bad spirits. It's just a beautiful story of humans and hyenas living together like friends. They are like magical street cleaners.
And our last amazing fact takes us way, way back in time. Long ago, during the early Pleistocene era, there was a creature called the giant hyena, or Pachycruda. It roamed the earth and was absolutely massive. I'm talking as big as a fully grown lioness. A hyena the size of a lion? I am kind of glad those ones aren't roaming around today.
Section 6. Summary and key takeaways.
Let's quickly review our big 3 vocabulary words so you never forget what makes the spotted hyena so special. 1. They are a mammal. 2. They are a carnivore, meaning they are meat eaters. And 3. They live in a matriarchy clan, where the girls are the absolute bosses.
And that wraps up our explainer. If you loved learning about the hyenas today, please like this explainer and subscribe to JSON Graphs. We absolutely love sharing these amazing animal facts with you. Also, just a quick reminder, this explainer was made with the help of AI. AI can sometimes make mistakes, so always keep learning and always double-check your facts. Now, I'll leave you with this. If you were a scientist, what amazing animal would you want to study next? Think about it, and we will see you next time.